Welcome back, everyone, to another great episode of Sell Those Flipping Cars. I'm Zachary, and in today's episode, we are going through the jack point locations of the 2006 Acura TL. So if you're lifting your vehicle and you want to do it safely so you can work on your vehicle or switch a tire out, this is the video for you. So let's jump in it and lift that vehicle safely so we can get it back on the road without breaking the bank. First, let's look at the side rails. These are primarily for the scissor jack that comes with the vehicle, but they are also where you will place your jack stands once the vehicle is up. Look for the two notches in the metal flange. You want your jack stand centered right between those notches. Do not jack on the plastic side skirt. You will damage it. If you are using a floor jack that is not the factory scissor jack, you can place it on the inner frame rail to lift and lower the vehicle from the side. At the rear of the vehicle, you will also have two notches in the metal flange as well. The same rule for the front goes for the rear as well. Place your scissor jack on the metal flange, known as the double weld, and lift here. If you are using a floor jack, use the inside flat frame rail so you do not bend or damage the double weld. If you want to lift the entire front end at once using a floor jack, you need to find the central lift point on the 2006 Acura TL. The central lift point is a sturdy, rectangular brace that you will find on the subframe directly under the Acura emblem on the front of the vehicle. Make sure your floor jack saddle is centered here before you start lifting the vehicle up. Now, for the rear of the vehicle, this one is actually very easy to find. Yes, on the 3rd gen Acura TL, the rear tie-down hook is the official jack point of the rear of the vehicle. Once it's high enough, place your jack stands on those side rail notches we talked about earlier. Before you crawl under the car, give it a good shake test while it's on the stands to make sure that it's stable. Always remember, safety comes first. And that's it. Now you know exactly where the 2006 Acura TL jack points are located on your vehicle. If this video helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more DIY guides right here on the channel. See you in the next one, everyone, and keep on wrenching.